Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off automatically sync data on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to user and account. Okay, tap this. Here in account or user account, below you can see the automatically sync data. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. If this turn on, let apps refresh data automatically. And okay, to turn on the automatically sync data, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side, and the pop-up are show, okay, turn auto sync data on. So okay, you'll have to do to turn on is tap the OK button, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on the automatically sync data on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side, and the pop-up are show again, and tap the OK button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off automatically sync data on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.